Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You're ready to add a ticket. First, confirm your iPhone and iOS support wallet so there are no surprises. Open the app or email that contains the ticket and find the Add to Apple Wallet button, pass, or attachment. Tap it now. Once you do, the wallet preview appears so you can inspect details like event time and seat. Make sure the ticket matches your name and time, because adding the wrong pass can complicate entry later. After previewing, tap Add and respond to permission requests. Wallet needs access to show passes on the lock screen and in wallet notifications. Once added, consider enabling express mode for contactless gates or toggling notifications so updates arrive immediately. You can also assign the pass to a specific card stack or edit the label to find it faster. These steps ensure your ticket appears when you need it, and that live updates like gate changes reach you promptly. Finally, verify the pass in Wallet. Confirm event name, date, seat, and that the barcode or QR code scans clearly. If the ticket didn't appear, return to the source app or email, tap Share, then choose Add to Apple Wallet again. Sometimes resending fixes server hiccups. If Wallet still refuses, restart your iPhone and check for an iOS update, because outdated software often blocks pass installation.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.